So this is the Sony ZV-1. I'm opening up the box, as you can see. Skipping all the boring stuff. So in the box, the first thing that I pick up was the charging cord. It's a micro USB cord. Then there's the dead cat that came with the camera for the speaker to block out wind noise if you're outside. On this side, I struggled a little bit, but this is the battery that comes with the camera. It's pretty small. I wasn't expecting it to be that small. And it's the camera. So this is the camera. I was pretty shocked to see how small it is too. It's smaller than my iPhone. I was trying to figure out, I couldn't figure out for the life of me what that was, but it's just for your finger to hold on to. The camera opens up sideways. That screen also flips, which I'm going to show later on. This is where you put the battery and the memory card. I was going to get the memory card. I also bought a 4K memory card. You need a new memory card if you don't already have it. I also struggled opening up this packaging, which I skipped through most of it, so you can't see the struggle life that was happening. It's pretty sad. Also, once I got it open, oh my gosh, sorry my kids. Once I got it open, there's a thin film right there. And the thin film was super hard to take off. It's not even my nails because I don't wear my nails long at all. But that film, oh my gosh, it took me forever. Which is all skipped through, so that's great. That would have been embarrassing. So you see the smaller piece goes in the big adapter, and then that all together goes inside the camera. And now we're in business. We're in there like swimwear. We can turn the camera on. So I'm showing you how to put the dead cat. There's a little spacer at the top, which in a little bit I'm gonna like take it off. So here I'm showing you how the screen flips out. I didn't know I was out of frame, so my bad. But you get the idea. So here I'm showing you how to put the dead cat on. There's a little spacer. You take that off. It's a small piece, so try to put it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. And that just pretty much slides right on. And it covers the speaker or the microphone exactly. Yay! This is my excited hands. Okay, so this is the quality of the camera. I also got some accessories that should be coming in the mail in a few weeks. I got a mic, a little light, like a little mini light that I can carry around with me instead of having this ring light all over the house. I got a wide angle lens, a screen protector of course, 3 extra batteries, and a car mount so that whenever I'm driving or if I have any footage that I need to do in the car, I can do that. Oh, I also got a cage, like a camera cage, so that one of the flaws, if you're doing research on this camera, of course you know, one of the flaws of the camera is that where the camera connects to the tripod, the battery cover, it won't open. You have to take it off the tripod to change your battery. So I got like a camera cage, some kind of cage thing that helps me center the camera differently so that the battery cover opens. I probably should do a review on this ring light because it's fire. So that's it for this video. overall, just unboxing the camera, I like it. I've done so much research before buying this camera, so I already know like what to expect. Now I'm just gonna have to learn the camera, learn what all the little settings on the screen mean, and all the little pictures and stuff like that. The camera I had before this one, which I mean I still have, I'll probably be using it for B-roll and stuff like that, is the Nikon 3300. I just had it. It has a stock lens. It's not all souped up or anything like this. So this camera is like gonna be my vlogging camera, because I was really embarrassed trying to vlog and take the Nikon out because it's so big and bulky. The lens is like this big. It's just not practical for me carrying it around. I didn't want to break it. I don't want nobody to, like, I don't know, run off with it or something. So this one is a little bit more low profile. But of course, I'll probably be doing a month review down the line to see how I feel about it in a month, of course, because you know, things change. I'll see what annoys me about it, what I don't like, what I do like. That's it for this video. Oh, look at this. This is ghetto. This is my work wig that I need to style. Oh, this lace is not. I just threw this wig on. Oh, it's tangled right here. I got a little tangle right here. I should be ashamed. Let's not do that. Dang, maybe. Let me pull this back a little bit. Let's get on. Yeah, that looks a lot better. I'm over here playing with my wig up here. Okay. Let's not do that.